Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Jessieswig. I collaborated with Jessieswig before for this almost exact wig, but this wig has a new construction. So I'm going to be showing you guys what came in their packaging. They really blew me away with this one. This wig has no baby hairs, so yeah. This wig is a no baby hair wig install. So let me show you what came in the packaging. And it came with a wig cap, some brushes, a wig band, some lashes, and then I decided I wanted to put on this wig cap instead of the one I was wearing, so I just put on two today, but you don't have to wear two. And then once I took the wig out of the packaging, you could see the pre-cut hairline, and they already have a band inside the wig for you, and their band is customized with their name on it, which is really cool. And this wig has a different type of cap. I've never seen a cap like this before. And it has a comb in the back and two combs on the sides. And I was just showing you a little bit more of the hairline, and this is how thick this straight hair is. I did not wash this hair, so we're doing a straight out of the box install. And this is how it's looking, so I'm gonna go ahead and prep myself to stick the wig down and then flatten out the hair.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005.
Okay, hold up, wait a minute, all good just a week ago. At my house, we party every weekend, so on the radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long. Now the thrill is gone, got no patience, cause I'm not a doctor. Go, why is you lying? Girl, why you move faster? Yeah, me casa, sukasa. Got it strip it like Gaza. Got so high on volcanoes, now the flow is so lava. Yeah, we spit that saliva. iPhone got message from Viber. Either the head is so hydra, or we let bygones be bygones. My God, you pay for your friends. I'll take that as a compliment. Got a house full of homies. Why I feel so the opposite. Incompetent ain't the half of it. Saturdays with young lavish. The saddest shit is I'm bad as it beats they took from the cabinet. Sorry, I'm just scared of the future. Till 2005, I got your back when you do this. Hold up.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Hold up.
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 Hold up. Hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up. Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up. Hold up. I used to care what people thought, but now I care more, and nobody out here's got it figured out. So therefore, I've lost all hope of a happy ending.
Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the wig turned out. I literally installed this wig so fast. I don't know if I should talk or not, but yeah, this is how it's looking. This is how it's flowing. It's super pretty. It's thick and full, so I will have Jessie's wig links down below, and this specific wig link will be down below as well. And then I decided to do a braid. So you guys can watch me do the braid, but this is the end of the video. So thank you guys so much for checking me out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will definitely see you in the next one.
Insecure, no one's perfect. We spend it with no shame. We blow that like Coltrane. We in here like Rogaine, or leave it like Cobain. And when I'm long gone, whole crew singing swan song. Cause we all just ticking time bombs. Got a Lambo like LeBron's mom. And no matter where all of my friends go, Emily, Fam, and Lorenzo, all of them people my kinfolk. At least I think so. Can't tell. Cause when them checks clear, they're not here. Cause they don't care. It's kinda sad, but I'm laughing. Whatever happens, assassins are stabbed in the back of my cabin. Labrador yapping, I'm glad that it happened. I mean it, between us, I think there's something special. And if I lose my mental, just hold my hand. Even if you don't understand, hold up.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Hold up.
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 Hold up.